Hard luck, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to unravel the meaning behind hard luck. By the end of this video, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Let's get started. Hard luck is a phrase that English speakers use to express sympathy when someone has been unlucky or has experienced a disappointing event. It's similar to saying, "That's unfortunate," or "I'm sorry to hear that." For example, if someone says, "I missed the bus this morning," you might respond with, "Oh, hard luck." Though the exact origin of hard luck is not clear, it has been in use for quite some time. The phrase likely comes from the combination of the words hard, meaning difficult or challenging, luck, referring to fortune or chance. Together, they create a phrase that acknowledges someone's unfortunate circumstance. Understanding a phrase is easier with examples. Let's see hard luck in action. 1. After Sarah dropped her ice cream, her friend said, "Hard luck." 2. When Mark shared that he didn't get the job, his sister consoled him with, "Hard luck. There will be other opportunities." 3. I lost my wallet on the train. "Oh, hard luck." While hard luck is a phrase to express sympathy, it's important to note that it might come off as casual or insincere in very serious or tragic situations. For example, if someone is grieving the loss of a loved one, it would be more appropriate to say, "I'm so sorry for your loss," rather than "hard luck." And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of the phrase, hard luck. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding these nuances can make your communication smoother and more natural. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning and see you in the next one.